Give me hammers, whatever. Can this one do it? Is this a hammer?
This one can do it.
What happened? Why do you have to give him such a hard knock on the head?
This boy, is very stubborn. He's very stubborn. He's supposed to concentrate on what we're doing.
No, now he's still a small boy. He will learn with time.
Which time? You don't understand, madam. You don't understand. You don't understand. Oh, come on.
Please, leave him.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where is your Oga?
The Oga went out to test the car. What can we do for you?
But I need to see your Oga.
Oga, forget my Oga. I am the engineer here. The Oga knows the theory and I do the practical.
Okay. If you say so, come and check it. Come and do it.
Okay. Put your bonnet. Oga, what's the problem?
It has been checking.
The car is checking. Ah, Oga, it is the alternator. Oga, the alternator is not supplying power to the carburetor and the injector, so it's affecting the radiator, and the vibrator cannot work effectively. That is why the car is jerking.
What do you mean? What business does the radiator have to do with the alternator?
Oga, you need to understand. By the time I finish with this car, you understand me well. Wait, let me put my
Better to... Can't start, oh.
Huh? Okay, come on.
Watchful of this.
Okay.
Can't start, oh.
What's that?
No action.
Let me see this speedometer.
Okay.
Ha! Hey, nothing. Ha! Oga! No wonder. Oga, the car cannot move again.
What do you mean?
But the car cannot move again. The speedometer is finished.
Look, my friend, if you are joking with me, you better stop it. I'm not your mate.
Oga, this is not a matter of maths, this is matter of experience, Oga. This car is supposed to cover about 2.16 million kilometers, but it has made more than that, so you need to change the engine.
Look, I think you are stupid. You are very foolish. Look, let me tell you, if you don't put this car in order the way it was, I will skin you alive.
I told you not to touch anybody's car in this place. I told you before to behave yourself. The earlier debate, I told you to behave yourself, this boy. Now what happened to this car?
Papa, the car is spoiled. Everything is finished. The speedometer is nonsense. The carburetor is spoiled. Everything nonsense.
Did the man push the car into the workshop?
No, the man dropped the car inside here. The speedometer finished here.
Hey.
The carburetor spoiled.
You see, that's why I told you to behave yourself. To behave yourself in this place. Eh? Now you spoil this car.
Fire on the mountain.
Fire.
Papa, what's also get me boo.
What is it?
To get my current statement, Papa. Papa, so
Hey, stop!